Hello, good morning students. I am Puneet Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIT College. Today we discuss in this video how to calculate the initial feasible solution by using the north-west corner method in transportation problem. Here there is a problem. There are 4 warehouses, warehouse 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there are 3 factory 1, factory 2, factory 3. And we are also given supply and demand. First of all, when we start the north corner method, first of all we starts with cell 1 1. This is the cell 1 1 at the upper left northwest corner of the transportation matrix, and allocate as much as possible such that either the supply of the first row and requirement of the first column is satisfied. If allocation made in step 1 is equal to the supply and demand available at the first source, then we move vertical down to the cell 2 1 in the second row and the first column and apply step 1 again for the next allocation. Now we apply the first column. Here supply is 7 and demand is 7. When we check supply is greater than from the demand, now we put the first column demand, that is 5 here. Now we move the next column warehouse 2, because the demand of first column is already satisfied. Then we delete the first column. Now we move the next north corner, that is 1 2. Here supply is 7 and we are already given 5 supply in the first 1 1. The remaining supply, that is 2, and here the demand is 8. Now we put only 2 in the 1 2 column. When we check, the supply of first row is satisfied. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now we move in the next north corner, that is 2 2. Here demand is 8. We are already given 2. The pending is 6 and supply is 9. Now we put the demand is 6 because demand is less than from the supply. Now we calculate here 6 plus 2 8. Demand is already satisfied of the second column. Now we move in the next corner, that is 2 3. Here supply is 9 but 6 is already given, then remaining, that is 3, and demand is 7. Here supply is less than from the demand, then we put the value of 3, and now the second row is the supply is satisfied. Now we move the next corner. Here the next corner is 3 3. In the next corner the demand is pending 4 and supply is 18. Here demand is less than from supply, then we put 7, and column third will be deleted, or you can say that the the demand of column 3 satisfy. Now the last corner, that is 3 4. Here supply is pending 14 and demand also pending 14. Now we all the supply and demand is satisfied. Now we calculate the transportation cost. Is equal to 19 into 5 plus 30 into 2 plus 30 into 6 plus 40 into 3 plus 70 into 4 plus 20 into 14. 19 into 5, 95, 30 into 2, 60, 30 into 6, 180, 40 into 3, 120, 70 into 4, 280 plus 20 into 14, that is 280. Now we sum all the cost. When we total of all the cost, the transportation will be rupees 1015. This is the transportation cost, and this is the method of calculation the transportation cost by the initial feasible solution by using the northwest corner method. Okay students, thank you.